So this is a 2017 JCB Fastrac 4220. It's a 65k Vario gearbox, 220 horsepower. It's spec'd with front linkage, front PTO, and it has one front hydraulic service. And then there are external control buttons for the linkage and the front PTO. Then there is a front light socket. It's on a suspended front axle. Front linkage is in good condition. Just bits of the black paint wearing off, showing minor amounts of rust coming through, which is normal for a machine of this age. Front bodywork's in good condition. Minor bits of rust showing through on the grille in places. Front bodywork's in really good condition. LED front work lights. This front left tyre is a Michelin IF 670 R30. About 30% tread remaining. No cuts or bulges. On a fixed rim. Wide pivoting front mud guards. This left hand mud guard has a crack on the left hand side and a hole in the top there. Cab glass in good condition. Minor scratches. This left hand panel. Rear left tyre is an Agramax IF 670 R30. Slightly more tread remaining, about 40%. Minor scratches and cuts on the tread. There is external linkage, PTO and spool control on the left and the right hand side rear fenders. Minor scuffs in places and paint coming off from the holders. LED rear work lights. Cat 3 rear linkage, which is in good condition. The adjusters are all three. The stabilisers haven't been bent. Bit of wear on the hook. Four rear spools, power beyond, and there is air and hydraulic trailer brakes and ABS. There's a Cat 3 mechanical top link with a closed end. This rear right tyre is a BKT IF 670 R30. Again, 30% tread remaining, no large cuts or bulges. Got the drawbar, very little wear, just paint worn off it. Toolbox, mirror glass in good condition. Mud guards in good condition, minor scratches on the right hand side. Front side bodywork's in good condition. Grills haven't been dented or scratched. So in the cab of this Fastrac, all the trim has been kept in good condition. Just a bit dirty, there isn't a chance to valet it yet. There's an electronic cool box, leather passenger seat which is in good condition, just needs a clean. There's a Grammer air suspended leather driver's seat which is in really good condition, had a seat cover on it, just taking it off for the video. Headliner, good condition, minor bits of dirt on the ceiling which will clean off. And there is a Kenwood Bluetooth and DAB radio and full air conditioning. All electronic spools which can be adjusted to your JCB screen. Front rear PTO controls, cruise controls. Then there is a Trimble Mathematics screen which runs your RTK guidance. There are 5,352 hours currently on the clock, and it runs well. So this Fastrac is currently in stock at our site in Littleport, and if you'd like any more information or you'd like to come and have a look at it, please get in contact with us at Thurlow Nunn Standen.